Welcome to the Clean Catalog channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to edit degrees within your institution's online catalog. We are on the homepage of Windward Community College's course catalog and have already logged in. Keep in mind that your institution's catalog may look slightly different from this one since Clean Catalog works with you to fully customize your catalog format and design. From the homepage, you'll first click Degrees and Certificates in the navigation bar. From here, you'll find and click on the degree you'd like to edit. Once you're on the degree page, select the Edit button at the top. Now we'll be able to edit all the information associated with this degree. First, you can add or edit the title of the degree. Below it, you can select the program the degree belongs to. As you start typing, program names will auto-populate. If you don't see the program name you need, you can click the link below the field to add a new one. See our tutorial on managing programs for more information. Using the degree type drop-down menu, you can select which category this degree falls into. Below that, you can use the body text box to enter any information relevant to the degree. This section can be edited very similarly to how you'd edit a Microsoft Word document. Scrolling down, you'll see a group of degree sections. Depending on the degree you're editing, you may have many different sections or you may only have one. These sections are commonly used to separate general ed requirements, core courses within the degree, emphasis areas, electives, and more. To add a new section, click on the Add Degree Section button at the bottom. From here, you can add the title of the degree section and any overview information you'd like to provide. Scrolling down, you'll be able to add courses required by this section. Just type in the course name until the course auto-populates and then select it. To add another course, select the Add Another Item button and a new line will appear. You can delete a course by erasing the text. You can also edit existing degree sections by clicking Edit on the right-hand side to expand the section and Collapse to close it again. Once you have finished adding required courses to the degree, you have the option to apply a credit override. This is the number of credit hours required in total for completing a degree. To create a range of credit hours, simply enter the minimum into the credit override box and the maximum into the credits override max box. Clean Catalog automatically totals the number of credits required for a degree, so only use the credit overrides if for some reason this total isn't what you want to display. Once you're done editing, scroll to the bottom of the page and click Save. The degree will now be updated across your site. That's all for today, but reach out to us if you have any questions about editing text degrees or using your new Clean Catalog software. You can also find a link in the description to a step-by-step PDF printout of this tutorial, which you can feel free to send to your faculty and staff.